What's up guys, Earl here for UTech, and along with the Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 5G, the company also released another 5G smartphone called the Aqua S10 Pro 5G. It has a 6.78-inch display, quad rear cameras, MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, and a more affordable price tag. If you want to know more about this device, just keep on watching. Before anything else, let's see first what's inside the box. Lifting up the lid, you will be greeted with the phone itself. Then underneath that is the SIM ejector tool, a manual, a free jelly case, earphones, USB Type-C cable, and the charger. So now let's talk about the device. If the Aqua S10 5G is slim and slick, the Aqua S10 Pro 5G is a bit different. It's taller, rounded, chunkier, and heftier at 209 grams. The frame is narrow, though it can still be easily gripped. Now when it comes to quality, the S10 Pro 5G looks great for something that is priced under 8,000 pesos. It's mostly plastic but has this glossy finish that looks nice to look at and hold. The back panel is also glossy, which also means that it is a fingerprint and smudge magnet, but you can remedy that with the free protective jelly case included in the package. It's all black but doesn't look boring, as the back panel creates this glowing light effect depending on the angle of the lighting. Overall, it's a smartphone with a simple design but is well made and easy to handle despite the size. Its size can be attributed to the large 6.78-inch Full HD screen. There's a punch hole at the top for the 16-megapixel selfie camera, and placed above it in the bezel is the earpiece. On the left side, we have the card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards and a micro SD card in a hybrid setup, and the volume buttons. On the right, there's the power/lock button that also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The buttons are mostly plastic but clicky and solid. We also like that the buttons were placed in the middle of the frame, where your finger will naturally rest when holding the device. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, while down below are the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB-C port, and the loudspeaker. Now at the back, we have the quad cameras consisting of a 48-megapixel main, 5-megapixel and 2-megapixel depth cameras, and a 2-megapixel macro. It's weird that they didn't have an ultra-wide camera. Check out these sample shots that we got so far. Under the hood, powering this device is a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, Android 11, and a 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging and 10W wireless charging. Priced at 7,999 pesos, it looks like a decent phone, but it would have been more compelling if it had 6GB of RAM. But let's see if 4GB is enough in our full review. So that's it for now. What can you say about the Cherry Mobile Aqua S10 Pro 5G? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit ubtech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.